G'day team, Pete checking in with another unboxing. This time we've got an updated Hemsut watch band. So I'm a big fan of this one. It's just been solid as. It's taken an absolute building. It's got a little bit of wear on it, but it stood up really well. And I much prefer this than the Garmin bands which come stock, which I think are just junk. They pull on my hair and stuff and they feel really hot. So I definitely recommend these Hemsut bands. You can give them a wash and stuff, just with like dishwashing liquid or whatever you want. So they've taken an absolute belting, just a little bit of wear on them. But other than that, they're really sweet. Super comfortable, you can adjust it, if it's hot and your wrist swells up a bit, you can easily undo it. So these ones here, a little bit more of a dressy style band. Yeah, that's in there pretty tight. Okay. So, same quality, which is bloody brilliant. It's like a pretty thick suede. Good stitching. You got your little screws there, so, and then your quick release. That makes them easy to snap on and snap off. Same thing for this one here. Quick release. Good, awesome stitching on that. That feels like it's, I reckon that's maybe a pea leather, that one, but I'm not sure. It's definitely a smoother one, and it's embossed with America. Anyway, it's pretty discreet, can't really see that. That orange tab really pops too, good contrast there. And yeah, same layout. So these are pretty much 1 for 1. I believe these are a size medium or M for men's. Righto, so let's have a look. So that's that one. This is this one. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Chuck it on like that, there you go. Same size and stuff, so that's cool. Righto, let's give them a go. Okay, so that's that quick release off. I'll get this one here on. Sweet. So there's your difference. Your difference there. They do look wider in the suede color, in my opinion, but they're identical width. Sweet. And this top one. It's off. New one. Sweet as. Alright, let's give that a go. These are a bit easier. Sorry, the other ones. This one here's got like a bit of that leather memory, so it's protruding out a bit more. So wacko. I think that looks great. It does look wider. Just a little bit more dressy, I guess. Still, I'd say on the tactical side, but not as out there tactical as this one looks. So yeah, that's Pete checking out with an updated Hemsut band. Highly recommend them. Righto team, have an awesome day.